over what we've got done. So check your Bohr models for hydrogen. Did you have 1 electron in the first shell? And check your Bohr model for helium. Did you have 2 electrons in the first shell? Check your Bohr model for lithium. Did you have 2 electrons in the first shell and 1 in the last shell? So right now, check in with your lab groups. Oldest person, check in with the other 2 people. Is everyone drawing Bohr models correctly? So just check in with each other. Okay, so let's look at our periodic table. You should remember all of your metals do what with their electrons? Give them away. They're going to become cations. And all of your non-metals do what with theirs? Gain them. So that should really help you with this last question. Let's start with lithium. Lithium has 1 electron in the outer shell. You know it's a metal. So what will it do with that electron? It's going to give it away. It's going to give it up. So lithium will give away 1 electron. And let's be specific. And let's actually put numbers there. It's going to give away 1 electron. So when it gives away that 1 electron, that last shell goes away, and now it's happy with the first shell, which is full. Does that make sense to you? Okay. Helium has 2 electrons in its outer shell. What's helium going to do? Helium has 2 electrons in its shell. What's it going to do? Helium has 2 electrons in its first shell. It's happy. Helium's happy. It doesn't do anything. So we can just write happy, or you can write doesn't do anything. Its shell's full. So helium is a noble gas. They're called the noble gases because they don't react with anything. They have no charge. They don't form ions. The reason they don't form ions is because they don't need to. They're already happy. Does that make sense? Okay. Hydrogen is a turd because hydrogen is put on the metal side of your periodic table, but is it a metal? No. Hydrogen can do either. It could gain 1 electron and get a full shell, or it could give away the only electron it has and have none. So hydrogen's a case where it can do either thing. So let's write that in there. It can gain 1 or give away 1. And it actually will do both things. Hydrogen can do either thing. Do you have any questions for me? Okay. Do you feel like you can do the rest of this? Okay. If you have questions, keep asking. I'll be walking around to help.